Hey guys, today I am making some fish roll, so let's get down to it, shall we? So I would like to say a very big welcome to all our new subscribers. So guys, let's get cooking. To make our fish roll, I'm going to start by parboiling the fish. I'm using some mackerel fish. I'm going to be seasoning them with some salt, Cameroon pepper, some thyme, seasoning, and just a little bit of water. I'm going to cover this and let it steam up for about 20 minutes. After which I'm going to transfer all this fish into a bowl. Then I will debone and shred into little pieces. So guys, you want to make sure you're really careful when deboning. That is where the work is, because you don't want, you don't want probably your guests or kids finding any bone in the fish roll, so you have to be really careful with that. So right after that, I'm going to add a little bit of oil on the pan and add my shredded fish into that. Then we are going to stir fry. That should take about 5 to 10 minutes. You want to keep stirring. You do not want it to stick to the frying pan, so you keep stirring until you get this lovely golden color. Then you can transfer if you want, or you can leave it and just set it aside for later while we make our dough. To make the dough, you're going to start with the flour. Into that we'll add some baking powder, some nutmeg for some nutty flavor, then some sugar, of course, for some sweetness, you know how we do it, and then some salt. Give it a good stir, and then we add our butter, after which we'll break it in. Make sure it's well mixed. You want to derive this breadcrumb like texture, just like this. Perfect. Next, you're going to make a well into that and add the eggs, I'll break it in. Make sure it's well incorporated, after which I'm going to add some water into that, and then we are going to knead for about 10 to 15 minutes before you place into the refrigerator to rest for about 10 minutes, and then we're good to go. So guys, to make your fish roll, to take it to another level, when you're serving, make sure you serve with some sauce. And I've got some sauce recipes on the page you can try out that would absolutely work well with this recipe. Hey there, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe before you continue watching. Thank you. So guys, after placing the dough in the refrigerator for 15 minutes, like I said earlier, now the dough is ready to be used. I'm going to divide it into about 8 pieces. So you can totally use a scale to do this, but I'm used to this, so I just gauge it, yeah, and then you roll it out, fill with your fish filling and roll. After that, heat up some oil, because we want to deep fry. You want to make sure the oil is a lot, about half of the pot you're using or frying pan you're using, and then you make sure you place it on low heat. So when the oil heats up, then you can add your fish roll into the hot oil, and then you fry until golden brown. And there you have it, your fish roll is ready. Do make sure you enjoy this with family and friends. I am a big fan of sharing, so share the finished product as well as this recipe video with everybody you know. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. I will see you next time. Bye for now.